Okay, we have another one here. It says device doesn't boot power on, doesn't power on. Okay, so this is 16 inches and model number is A2141. Um, the screws has already been taken out. The back screws only, but the screws inside the machines are still intact. Hmm? Only the back screws has been taken out. Okay, so first thing we want to do is we want to get an idea of exactly what it is that we're dealing with. So let us disconnect the battery and let's see what we have. Before we connect our charger, let's see if we have a short on the board. We can check, let's check on basic rails, see if we have a short on the board. Okay, we do have a short. That's a 0.0012. Okay, we have a short, so I'm just going to show you guys. That's pretty much the first component that I measured, 00. So this is a 16 inches and the board number is 80-01700. The first component that I measured seemed to have a short on the board, and that component is this right here. Yeah, is that, yeah, that is our PP bus. Let's check that again. Okay, we have a short on our PP bus line. So we don't have to, we do not need to connect charger to it since we have a short on our PP bus line. The next thing we want to do is we want to take out our board to find out where the short is coming from. I'm just hoping that it is not the NAND chip because the 16 inches are very common to have failed NAND chips. So I'm hoping that is not the case. Um, let's take out the logic board. Okay, uh, this doesn't look good. This doesn't look good. So there is a bounce mark here on one of the lands. Uh, that doesn't look good. Okay, let's still take out the board. Huh. If so, because if it's a failed, if the issue is indeed the NAND chips, that is an expensive repair because the line needs to be replaced, and the client will also lose their data. of the screws are out. We're now taking on the board. Okay, let's put the shell aside. And let's check out our board. We really hope our issue is not near the NAND chip. Hmm. So, what happened was, yeah, it's sad. Okay, so this I can see this is fried. This, that it's voltage regulator for the NAND chip. That's one. So that it's supposed to be that is U9580. U9580 takes PP volts voltage and then outputs 2.5 volts to the NAND. So when U95, so what this is supposed to switch on and off until it gets 2.5 volt out to the SSD, which is here, pin 4 at pin 4 for example. So the output of it, so let's go to U90. Let's open up the schematic and then you guys can have an idea. 01700 U9850. Not U9850 yet. Let me say that's U9580. Yeah, U9580. 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 Where are you? Where are you? Okay, U9580 is supposed to U9580 has two outputs, and so it's supposed to you're supposed to get 2.5 volt out to the NAND. It takes in PP bus voltage, which is here, it's taking takes in pivot voltage here, and then it switches. It basically then outputs it to L9580. Now, when this is fried, usually what will happen is instead of having to switch on and off until it's able to until it outputs 2.5 volts to the SSD, it will send out the 12 volt, or it will send out the 50 volts voltage that is coming through it, and just sends it out without having to switch it. When that happens, the NAND chip obviously will be damaged. So we can clearly see that it is fried. So what we want to do is we want to take it out. Let's take it out and see. I did see that one of the knives look a little bit suspicious. Uh, Here, I'm not sure if you guys can see that. There, that's an internal board map. So what I want to do now is let's take that out. Let's take E9580 out and see if we still have a short. If we still have a short, then unfortunately, let's say it's going to be an expensive repair, which also will require no data for the client. Okay, it's out. Let's see if we still have a short. Let's see if we still have a short on our PV bus. Alhamdulillah, our short is gone. That is so refreshing. Okay, that's really good. Our short is gone. So U9580 is removed, and our short seems to be gone. So the next thing we want to do is we want to replace U9580, and then take it out from there. Let's grab a donor board. Let's see. I'm thinking U9580. I should be able to grab that also from a 2018 15 inches. Let's see, U9580. U9580. Yeah, we can also find we can also use that from a 20, yeah. Pretty much. Yes, that's U9580. 24 pins. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Yes, we can take one from 2018, 2019, 15 inches. So if we cannot find a 16 inches board, we can also grab it from 15 inches, 2018, 2019. Okay, this is a 2018-2019. It's not a 16 inches, it's a 15 inches. But we can grab the 9580 from it. The other side. Uh, okay, apparently it's not. Oh, okay, it's not there. Let's see on the other side. Hmm. Um, yeah, that's it. We can grab that. So it's here. It's a U9080 here. Let's see, PP boss. Let's just confirm that. Then one, yes, yes, that's it. We can use that. 1 2 straight 21. Let's see. Yes, we can use U9080 for it. So pin one, where is our pin one? Pin one, it's here. This is our pin one, the side. Let's see what's our pin one, and then pin one. It's okay. So pin one is here. So mm, pin one is here. So we need to flip the board like this. Yeah, like this, basically. Yeah. Okay, let's take it out. And let's hope that none of the NAND chip was already affected. Okay. Okay. It's replaced. Let's hope that none of the NAND chip was affected in the process. Okay. What? Why? Why is that? Okay. Let's give it time to cool. Let's see. Though we don't have short on our PD boss anymore. We however do have low resistance on the SSD rail. Okay, let's give it time. Try again. Just take the regulator out to be sure that Okay, let's check. That's not good. Okay, that's not good. Let's just confirm something. Oh, okay. So just like we feared, one of the NAND chip was affected. Uh, yeah, so the NAND chip needs to be replaced. The client is definitely not going to get data from the machine because of the damage to the NAND. And so what happened was U9580 got fried. U9580 got fried, and then it sends out the PP bus voltage to one of the NAND, and then that basically killed one of the NANDs. So when we remove the previous U9580, the short was cleared on the PP bus line. However, damage has already been done. So yeah, pretty much it's that's one of my fears in the 16 inches. When that happens, there's no data, becomes an expensive repair, and yeah, and also a delayed repair because you have to order in. Okay, the one that I saw was this one, this this here. So that definitely needs to be replaced. Yeah, that needs to be replaced. It's just so sad. Okay, so this needs to go. This is definitely faulty. Uh, okay. First, we need to make sure we have the chips available before we perform the replacement process. Yeah, guys, that's so depressing, but yeah, That's one of the one of the reasons I do not like the 16 inches. The SSD get fried, and you have a non-working machine. You lose your data. Just yeah. Okay, guys. We need to get the nine chips for this one, and then we can complete the repair. So for now, I'll be all for now. I'll see you guys in the next video.